Reeling from a surge in battlefield losses, Afghanistan military is overhauling its war strategy against the Taliban to concentrate forces around the most critical areas like Kabul and other cities, border crossing and vital infrastructures. Afghan and US officials says the politically perilous strategy will inevitably cede territory to Taliban insurgent, but officials says it appear to be military necessity as overstretched Afghan troops try to prevent the loss of provincial capital, which could deeply fracture the country. The consolidation of forces, which has been publicly acknowledged but not reported in such detail before, coincide with the US military withdrawal ahead of a formal end to the military mission on 31 August. On orders from President Joe Biden, Taliban insurgents are gaining control of more and more territory, which the Pentagon estimated on Wednesday now extended to over half Afghanistan district centers. The Taliban are also putting pressure on the outskirts of half of provincial capital, trying to isolate them. US official told US intelligence assessment have warned that the Afghan government could fall in as little as 6 months. One Afghan official speaking on condition of anonymity said the reorientation of troops would help Kabul hold strategic territory and defend infrastructure including a dam built with Indian assistance and major highway. But consolidating troops also means leaving other areas unguarded. A hard sell to Afghan communities or ethnic groups who will feel they are being abandoned to the Taliban. The Afghan official asked because a major part of this reorientation would entail, at least in the short term, the Taliban filling in the vacuum that we are leaving behind. The Afghan official asked. US Army General Mark Milley, chairman of the Joint Chief of Staff, said the strategy would involve giving up district centers to protect large population centers like the capital Kabul. He said the Taliban appear to have strategic momentum. There is possibility of a complete Taliban takeover or a possibility of any number of other scenarios. Milley told a news conference on Wednesday, adding, I don't think the end game is yet written. The Taliban have not responded to calls from one-five diplomatic missions and the NATO representative in Afghanistan on Monday to halt their military absence. The insurgent and the Afghan government also failed to agree on a ceasefire at talk in Doha for this week Eid holidays. US military officials believe the Taliban are seeking to end the war with a battlefield victory instead of at the negotiating table.